Today, we're going to bring two cameras. These are security cameras. They have solar panels included, including the actual mounts with it. And they also give you a long extension cords, so you can actually plug it in directly to it. And they're all door graded and also included with the light. They're also included with lights in here, right? So they could use as floodlights. And they have two-wave sound audio, so you could send messages across from it in case you get any boxes or anything. You could send messages to there. Also, here, there's a micro SD card in slot here. You reset button, power on, and then a cover for it, right? So if you want to record on the actual camera, you can do that. Or they also include the cloud system if you want to pay for it. Now, the solar panels are very simple. They're going to capture a lot of light. Make sure you haven't directed the sun, all right, when you want to do that. So keep it going. My recommendation is not to have them 24/7. Maybe have any kind of movements and set up your zones too. Included with it, all the necessary stuff, instructions, how to download the app. And also, I like the template stickers where you're gonna have to drill to mount the actual cameras. All right, very important. The instructions have where to download the app. It's included for Droid or as actually the Apple iOS. All right, so we're gonna go in and use our camera. And here it is. We got the link of the app. It's going to take us either directly to two places. If you have a Droid, it's going to take you to the Google Play Store. If you have an Apple, it's going to take you to the Apple Store, right? So, all right, we're setting up the wireless right now. And we're waiting for the actual confirmation. It says connected device. We're going to connect the device once you set up your wireless. And all you can do is a waiting game. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we successfully installed the first camera and we're going to run the second camera. So this one's done already. And we're going to go ahead and install the second one, the same process. So all right, let's take a look at a couple of features on the actual camera. If you guys can see now, you're able to buy the cloud system. It's an option. It's optional, like I said. So we're going to take a look at a couple of things that you can do. If you go to settings here, you have control of the SD card. You could actually format the SD card. You could do a lot of more things. You could power off the system, audio, share, installation. Now, if you guys can see, I actually share this across the way with my family, and so they're able to see the same thing, but they're not the admin, just to be aware of that. Now, if you guys can see, there's 99 messages they got. That means it was sent out throughout the day. These are the different types of camera I have throughout the house. So everything that's included, you can even see the actual live view by hitting connect right now, and we'll be able to view the actual camera as we go along. Right now it's a little dark, it's getting a little dark, but we're able to make us hear the sound, right? Position ourselves and so forth. And you guys can see there's actually movement in the front. I got notification instantly, movement of the camera, two-way speaking through the camera itself. And also alarms. You can see more things, more options in here. If you go more, there's more stuff you can do. So you can see a timeline of the calendar also too, under your library, what happened throughout the day. SD card, if you have an SD card, a larger SD card, you can see throughout the whole month and so forth. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.